Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into, the relevance of the trial monitoring plan in clinical trials. Clinical trials are vital for advancing medical research and ensuring the safety and efficacy of new treatments. To make sure everything runs smoothly and ethically, trial monitoring plans play a crucial role. So, let's get started. Before we dive into trial monitoring plans, let's quickly recap the importance of clinical trials. These trials are essential to evaluate new medical treatments, drugs, and interventions. They provide critical data to determine whether a new therapy is safe, effective, and potentially better than existing options. What is a trial monitoring plan? So, what exactly is a trial monitoring plan? Well, it's a strategic document developed before a clinical trial begins. This plan outlines the specific activities and processes that will be used to monitor the trial's conduct, data collection, and participant safety. Essentially, it acts as a roadmap for ensuring the trial is executed appropriately. Participant safety is paramount in clinical trials. The trial monitoring plan plays a crucial role in ensuring this. It helps identify potential risks and allows monitors to assess whether the trial site and investigators are adhering to the study protocol and regulatory guidelines. By doing so, it minimizes the chances of harm to participants. Data quality and integrity. The integrity of clinical trial data is of utmost importance. Accurate and reliable data are essential for drawing valid conclusions about the efficacy and safety of a new treatment. The trial monitoring plan includes procedures for data verification, source data verification, and data management. It helps detect errors or inconsistencies early on, leading to more reliable results. Adherence to study protocol. Every clinical trial follows a study protocol, which outlines the trial's objectives, design, methodology, and participant eligibility criteria. Deviations from the protocol can compromise the trial's integrity and the validity of its results. The trial monitoring plan enables monitors to ensure that investigators strictly adhere to the protocol, maintaining the trial's accuracy and reliability. Compliance with regulatory requirements. Conducting clinical trials involves complying with numerous regulatory requirements and ethical standards. The trial monitoring plan incorporates these regulations, such as Good Clinical Practice (GCP) guidelines. Monitors ensure that the trial meets these standards, protecting the rights and well-being of participants and maintaining the trial's credibility. Early detection of issues. Problems can arise during a clinical trial, such as data discrepancies or protocol deviations. The trial monitoring plan empowers monitors to detect these issues early on, allowing for timely intervention. By addressing problems promptly, trial sponsors can maintain the trial's quality and integrity. Improved trial efficiency. Efficiency is key in clinical trials, especially as they can be time-consuming and costly. A well-designed trial monitoring plan optimizes trial processes and ensures effective oversight. This leads to increased efficiency, timely completion of the trial, and potentially faster access to new treatments for patients in need. In conclusion, the trial monitoring plan is a vital component of any clinical trial. By prioritizing participant safety, ensuring data quality and integrity, and adhering to protocols and regulations, it safeguards the validity of trial results. Early issue detection and improved efficiency contribute to successful trial outcomes and advancements in medical research. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this presentation shed some light on the relevance of trial monitoring plans in clinical trials.